Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through the vocabulary for this lesson, which there's only 3 vocab words we're focusing on. The first is congruent. Congruent angles, so congruent means equal. So congruent angles have exactly the same measure. So if you look at angle A, it's 48 degrees, which means it's congruent to angle B, which is also 48 degrees. So congruent is just another word for equal. The other 2 vocabulary words are complementary and supplementary. So complementary angles are going to add up to 90 degrees. They make a right angle. So these 2 angles together are complementary. And supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees, which means together they make a straight line. So 128 and 52, those 2 angles together are supplementary because if you add them together, they equal 180. And if you look down here, when you put those angles together, they create a straight line. That's really it for our vocab. Now you're going to practice identifying what kinds of angles you're looking at. Are they congruent? Are they complementary? Or are they supplementary?